Okay guys, so this will be like a super quick little unboxing of my very first Valentino order that I have ever made so far. So we'll see what I think about it. Like I said, this is just going to be an unboxing and my overall impression. Ooh, I like the little seal. Okay, so first of all, this was like on clearance. This was on clearance. This looks like a pretty nice color. Very vibrant. It is called, and I think because they're no longer carrying it, I'm not sure, but it was on clearance. It is $1.98. I am assuming that's what that means, is the color. It had a name on the website, but I can't see it on here. There's like a lot of powder. Did you guys see that just slide? Because it's full of powder here. Yeah, it had like a lot of powder in that bag. Okay, so it is sealed. Oh my gosh, this is moving all over the place. Ooh, it's like a very nice, and I'm sorry if the lighting isn't perfect, but it's like a very nice red. It seems to have a little bit of shimmer in there. I think on camera it's coming off a little bit brighter. I don't know, I guess I'll see. But it looks nice. Let me know if you guys want to see swatches for reference, because I'm always wondering like the sizes of the bottles. This was 0.5 ounces, and this is what it looks like, because I'm horrible with imagining weights and ounces. So this is what you get for 0.5 ounces. It doesn't have the price on here, so I can't give you, and I don't remember, but it was on sale. I think it was really affordable. It was like $5, maybe $6. I think that most was $8, but it wasn't, like I said, on clearance. And then this one was also on clearance. This one is number 199, if it focuses, and this is also 0.5 ounces. Whoa, the seal cap is moving all over the place. This is like a very beautiful green. This is a lovely green. It's kind of like a green apple, kind of. I don't know, I'm really bad at describing colors. It's a very beautiful green. It looked beautiful to make like flowers or petals. If you guys want to see swatches, comment below. Wow, this, yeah, it's full of acrylic. Wow, I hope my acrylic is okay. This one, I've seen lots of videos, and that's why I picked this color. A lot of videos of people using this, and it's called Bad and Bougie. It looks really pretty. I didn't realize it has like a shimmer. It didn't look like it had a shimmer on all of the nails that I saw. I don't know if you can tell with my lighting here, but it kind of looks like it does have a shimmer. Oh, and for reference, this is 1.5 ounces. And this is the difference between the ½ ounce and the 1.5. Yeah, I didn't realize it had a shimmer, but it's a very fine shimmer. I wonder how it'll swatch. It looks very pretty. I was looking to add to my nude collections, and this seemed to be like a nice one. I don't know what the shimmer is all about, so I'm very curious to see it swatched. Wow, this is so full of powder, can you tell? This one is Blossom. I also saw a few videos. I felt I needed more of a pinky tone cover, because most of the covers that I have are like in the peachy or in the like neutral nude, brownish nudes. So I felt I needed to add like a pink. Oh, interesting. This one, I think this is what was spilling, because this one doesn't seem to have the same seal that the other ones have. Anyways, so this is what it looks like. Very pretty pinky tone. Like I said, sorry if the lighting is not the best, but I can definitely do a video for you guys where I show you a swatch. Just let me know down below if you're interested in watching it, or give me a thumbs up, and I will go ahead and upload a video with the swatches of these. So this concludes my little short haul. Like I said, it was just a little, you know, first time try. Oh my gosh, why isn't it? This one is going to give me issues. This was just like a first time try to see if I like the product. I need to get the monomer, and then we'll see how it goes from there. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe, share the video, and I'll see you at the next one.